Hi, this is Jamie from Reason Funding. In this video, we're going to demonstrate how easy it is to build a donate page in the Reason Funding Donate Page Builder in 3 easy steps. So from the Welcome Home screen, I'm going to go to the Donate Page Builder by clicking on Fundraising and then Donate Pages. This will open up the donate page list. And if you've selected a Reason Funding template, you should already have a default donate page and a monthly recurring donate page built out. And so all you have to do at this point is just open up the page and start editing and swap out the content and upload your logo. So to do that, I'm going to start working here on this default donate page, and I'm going to click Edit. And this is going to open up our donate page visual builder. And again, it's 3 steps. So there's the donate page setup, there's the design, and then there's the thank you page. So starting off, you're going to want to name your donate page. So right now, I've got default donate page. This tells me that this is my primary donate page. So I'm going to leave it here, but if I wanted to edit this, I would just type in, primary donate page, and then the donate page URL. What that is the, open up our donate page. So that is the very end of the URL after the slash. So if you have yourwebsite.com/donate, so that's where that would come into place. The next is if you want to select this as your default donate page. You can only have one, and what this does is that we provide you with a member portal, and there's a link in that member portal that connects to a donate page. So if you select default donate page, that link will automatically link to that particular donate page that you have set up. So funds. So you can have one or many funds tied to a specific donate page. Right now, I've got 2 funds that are tied to this donate page. If I wanted to add a third one, I could do that as well. You can set up funds over here on the by going to the fundraising menu and then just select funds, and then you can create a fund there, and then it'll be available to be selected from this menu. Now, if I wanted to get rid of one of these funds, I can just click the X, and they're gone. Now, pixel codes are if you're doing any type of like Facebook marketing and you want to be able to track visitors who are coming from Facebook to your donate page. This is where you would plug in the pixel codes that you can get from Facebook. So once you've got everything set up on step 1, you would just click Submit. And then now you're on the design of the donate page. And so I've got a logo here, but I'm going to swap out this logo just to kind of demonstrate how to do it. So if you want to swap out and change a logo, you would select the file manager, and then I'm going to then upload a logo. And I'm going to choose one of these logos. Here we go. It's probably going to be a little too big, but we'll see. Yep. So what we do is that whenever you upload an image, we've got these folders that are set up, because we understand that not everybody has access to a photo editing software. So whenever you upload an image, we automatically make a copy of the image in 300 pixels, 600 pixels, 800 pixels, 1200 pixels, and 1920 pixels. So for this logo, I'm going to choose the 300 pixel size and see if that works. So yep, there we go. So that was easy. So whenever you're uploading an image, such as a logo or any other type of photography on the page, you're going to see a box like this that says logo alt text or image alt text. And so for web accessibility, anytime you're uploading an image into our platform, you're going to want to maybe put a description on that image. So if a screen reader comes to it, it'll be able to read off what that image is. So I'm going to change this to City Church logo. And then I'm going to move down to my design colors. Now you can change up the background heading if you want to. So you can give that background, that header, a different background. And then you can also change up the color of the navigation. So I'm actually going to make this white again. And then for the colors, I'm going to use my little eyedropper tool. And I'm going to select color from the logo. And there we go. And then also I'm going to make that color my design color. And that'll change up the color on these outlines, these accent points, and also these buttons. And then as far as like a hover color, I want to maybe make this like a gray. There we go. Looks nice. And then the button font color I'm going to keep as white. Now, a lot of donate pages don't give you the ability to add navigation links up to the top of it, but we give you that ability to do that. And so what you're going to want to do is you want to give it a label. And then if you're just you've got your own website and you don't have a Reason Funding website, what you could do is just grab the URL from your existing website. So I'm going to select this page. And I'm just going to drop that URL right there. And so whenever somebody clicks on this home link, it'll go to that URL. Now, just because we're dealing with a limited number of spacing up here, we can only do top-level navigation and not any type of sub-navigation. So you're going to want to maybe try and choose your top 5 links to be able to link up on this page. And then I'm going to move on down. So whenever you're on in our system and you're using one of our template websites, our template donate pages, we're giving you a little bit of guidance. So this is the title. So you'll see here that this is where you're going to want to have a call to action. So whenever you type something in here, you'll automatically see it visually over on the right side. So I'm going to just type in, please. Gift. And then over here, I've got this centered. And you have some tooltips here where you maybe if you want to move that over to the justified left, justified right, make it center. You can change the color if you want to do that as well, bold it out. Or if you want to, have some design consistency, You can also let me cancel that out. I'm going to go back to my eyedropper and select this color. And I'm going to choose a custom. And then I'm just going to drop that color right here. And there we go. You can. I also have the ability to upload an image or add a YouTube video link if you want to. Delete that, and then change the amount buttons. We already have some preset ones that are set up there. So if you want to make this 25, make this 50, make this 75, 100, and then 150. Again, you're seeing it change visually as you're doing making the edits yourself. Then you have the donation frequency options, so you can make this this page either right now it's default to one time and monthly. If you want it to just be one time, you can choose that. Or if you want it to be monthly, just a monthly page, you can have it be a monthly page. I'm just going to leave it as a one time and monthly. You can also turn on or off the payment acceptance. So if you want credit card only, you can do that. If you prefer just e-check, it would just be ACH. And then you can also choose credit card and e-check as well. The e-check functionality does have to be turned on. You do have to have that set up. If you don't have e-check set up, this will not appear here as an option. It will just be credit card only. So down here, we've got some footer options as well. So I've got black. Again, if you want to keep, some design consistency, you can plug that in there, and it'll change it. And then you've got your text color. And then if you want to add some information, there you go. And then you've got your social media links that you can just drop in there. Right now, I've got these are default, but if you don't have a YouTube, if you just leave it blank, it'll go away. And then right sidebar, this is an area right here where you can maybe put some call to actions. So if you've got like a mission statement, testimonials, this is where you're going to want to maybe like kind of put that information. If you've got some kind of data points, you can also put that there. If you leave it blank, when you open up the donate page, there won't be anything there. So you can, it's either or, so you don't have to have the right sidebar, but the option's there. So I'm going to save this. And then I'm going to go to the next step. So now we're on the thank you or success page. And so you have the option to do just a title or your organization name on that. I'm going to use logo. And then you can also have a nice thank you image. So you can upload grab an image off of your file manager. So I'm just going to swap the image there, and it automatically updates it. And then you're going to want to put an alternate kind of a description of that image. And then whenever you come to the success page, we have some template thank you message already in there. And so if you want to use this, you can. If you have your own, you can just add it or type it in there, or you can do whenever you're pasting into the platform, you're going to want to just, I'll take this content right here, just copy it, and then right select and paste as plain text. And you'll see that information is there now. And then you can format it if you'd like. Within this, if you don't want the spaces, just hit Shift and then your Enter or Return key, and you can format that. Then we have a signature line here as well. And then up here at the top, I don't know if you noticed this on the success page, there's a Facebook share. So if you want to have the ability for people to share out the fact that they're supporting your organization, you can give it kind of a headline. Just try and keep it short and sweet. So this is basically, it's the name of your organization. And then just a very maybe 2-sentence description on what it is. And then you can also upload an image, and we're giving you some guidance there on the size of the image size. And so when you get to the point of you've got everything all set up, you can hit finish and you're done. And it's that easy. So visually you can kind of see how things are working. And then if you want to preview the page, you can just click on the link here, and I'll open up with all your edits. Now, if you want to add a new page and you don't want to ever have to like start from scratch, we also have the option to clone a page. So right here under Options, click on that, and you can hit Clone, and will automatically clone that page that you're working on. It'll just put the word clone afterwards, and then you can hit Edit Page. And just rename it, and then just get to work as far as like, you know, putting in your content. And you have the option to have as many donate pages as you want to. We do not limit that. So you can have a donate page that's specific to each individual fund if you'd like. So that concludes the video tutorial on how to build or edit a donate page. We thank you for your time.